Welcome to day 3 in our 30-day self-trust challenge. My name is Kathy Richards. I'm a registered dietitian. So, what is the cost of not trusting yourself? So, I want you to think about it. When we don't trust ourselves, we outsource our decisions, right? For plans, to rules, to other people to make a choice for us, and that's exhausting. So, lack of self-trust creates burnout, not motivation. So today we're going to keep it super simple, and I want you to notice one decision today that you usually overthink. That's it. Just notice one decision today that you usually overthink. Remember, we can journal, we can write that down. You can just pause and take a moment and think about that decision. What do you usually overthink? What do you outsource to somebody else? And come back tomorrow for day 4.